So welcome to the problem number 66 of the Leet code. It's an easy question. So the question is like they have provided us an array which contains certain elements like it's 1, 2, 3, right? So 1, 2, 3 when we concatenate it, it will be like 123, and to that number we have to increment it by 1, then we will get the 124, and we have to again return it as 1 comma 2 comma 4 in the form of array, right? Maybe you got the question, right? So the same things follows over here, like 4 3 2 1 will be the 4 3 2 2 as 1 is incremented to 2, right? Then one more thing is, the if it is 9 then it will be 10, then the one letter will come to the 1 comma 0. Okay, so what we can do is, one thing is like if you go we can just concatenate all the numbers, then by using the string operations, then after that converting it to again the integer, then adding the plus 1, then after that we can again convert it to string, then convert it to the, and it will be much more complications. So for that reason what we can do is, uh, as you look at the logic, like if the number is like something 899, right? Like 8 comma 9 comma 9, so you can see here the output should be 8 comma no, it should be 1, like 9 comma 0 comma 0, right? So 899 plus 1 is 900. So how it came, like whenever whenever we got the number 9, it should replace the number with 0, right? And after that if the number is less than 9, then it should be incremented with the number 1, right? You got my point. So on that we have to work right now. Let's suppose if the number is 1 comma 2 comma 9, it will become 1 comma 3 comma 0, right? So 1 comma 3 comma 0. So the same things follows over here. If it's 9, replace it with the 0, and the previous number to it, it should be 3, like incremented by 1, right? So the same logic follows in all the cases. So what we can do is like let's iterate the array in backwards and just see if the last number is 9, then we will increment, like we will replace it with 0, else we will increment this number by 1 and we will return the array. If this number is 9, then we will replace it to 0, and the previous number to it we will increment it by 1, right? So I will get the length of the array, like digits dot length, right? So here I am storing the length of the array into the variable n. Then I will write the logic for the inverse, like reverse of the array, like the array should start from last of the digits, that is n minus 1, then it should go up to where 0, then I should be decremented, right? So what the thing is, if our number is less than 9, okay, so if our number is less than 9, we have to just increment it and we have to return this array. So for that reason I will write the if condition, if the my digit of I is less than 9, right? Then I have to return, like first I have to increment it by 1, like digits of I plus plus let it be, so I plus equal to 1 for simplicity. Then I will just return my array. Why I am returning the array? Because my uh, method is in the form of array, so it is int array. I must have to return in the form of array only. If my number is not less than 9, if my number is not less than 9, which is nothing but here, right? So I have to replace the number by 1. So what I can do is digits of I is equal to 0. On that place I am storing it as 0. Then I will not return here. Then I will just go down and write the logic for how I can return the complete array if it does not contain the if it does contain the 9, right? So 9, then it will be 1 comma 0. I can't just return the 0, correct? So what I can do is just look at this situation. The size of this array is 1, right? Length of this array is 1, but the output length is 2. So whenever this situation comes, like, what I can do is I will just create and define an array which, let be, it is int r. Then the length of the array should be n plus 1, right? N is my length of the array, n is nothing but 1, right? But the output is 1, like output is 2, right? The length of the array is 2. So here I will get the length of the array as 2, right? Then after this, what I can do is, like, the first, my number, like r of 0 should be 1, correct? As you can see here, the r of 0, like the first number should be 1 whenever the last digits are 999, right? Then it will be 1. Then I will return the r, correct? I will return the r. Then we return the r. Okay, let's run it. Okay, I'm getting error, like, okay, it should be an array. As you can see here, my case 1 is passed, case 2 also passed, then case 3 is also passed, right? Then let me submit it and let's see if it's okay for each and every solution. Okay, the output should be 1 comma 0. Okay, sorry, my output is 1 comma 0 for the digit 0, and the expected output is 1. Okay, it should come 1, and I am getting as 1 comma 0. So what wrong we did over here? It should be greater than 0. Okay, the problem is here in the for loop. Okay, so it should go up to the 0. Okay, so I'm terminating when the I is equal to 1, but it should terminate when the I is also equal to 0, right? So let me submit it again. Let's see if it works. Okay, so it approved. So I will come back to you soon. Bye bye.